Okay, so I've traveled from Jogja to Jakarta for this event, and it's totally worth it because it's not only that this training or workshop is fun, but it's also practical. So we got lots of practical informations and lots of practical techniques to teach your students better. But it's also meaningful because you got to meet some wonderful experienced trainers. So they not only teach us or train us based on the theory, but mostly based on the experiences, and it's very meaningful. And so we get to meet lots of connections and be in these positive vibes, and I really like it. So I cannot wait to join another event, another batch. I will surely go here again, fly from Jogja to Jakarta just for the next batch. So thank you so much, English Today, for having us today. Thank you, Mark, Dennis, and Joe for having us, and also Miss Kiki. So I'm gonna meet you again soon.